What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today we're checking out the 2025 Tiffin Byway 38BL. This motorhome has 2 full baths and is a bunkhouse. Let's check it out. Alright, so this right here is the 2025 Tiffin Byway 38BL. It has so much to offer, but before we tour it, let's take a quick look at the specs. So this right here is a diesel motorhome. It sits just under 40 feet at 39 feet 6 inches. You have a total width of 101 inches and a total height of 12 feet 10 inches, as well as a gross vehicle weight rating of 29,800 pounds, and you can tow 3,200 pounds. On the outside of this motorhome, you have an exterior TV, full body paint, frameless windows, a full wall slide with a power awning, and this RV was $279,995 at the Florida RV Super Show. Let's go ahead and check out the inside. You've got 2 really nice, comfortable captain's chairs, and then take a look at this layout. Really nice setup. You've got your dinette that drops into a bed. You've got a TV above that, which is a great position for the theater seats across the way. And then you do have some cabinet space up above those. Head into the kitchen. There's tons of storage. You have some pull-out drawers that sit right underneath of the cooktop that is hidden by a countertop cover. Then you have a residential-sized microwave. You also have a really nice farmhouse sink that also has a countertop cover. Up above that is some more storage space. And back to the campsite of the RV, you have a ton of storage that sits along the refrigerator. This right here is a really large fridge. It does have a safety latch, so that way when you're going down the road it doesn't fly open. Huge fridge up on the top, and then you also have a freezer down on the bottom. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the back of this RV where you have the bunks and the 2 bathrooms. That's right, 2 bathrooms. Over here is a little iPad holder, that way it's kind of like a TV. You have privacy curtains and a built-in ladder. Across the way is one of the 2 bathrooms. You have a really large shower. You also have a lot of cabinet space. You have this cabinet that sits up above the window, and then a medicine cabinet that sits in the corner. Then you have your sink with lots of countertop space and more storage below it. And then you have a porcelain toilet. This right here is a really nice bathroom, but there's one more in the back. In the back bedroom, you have a huge king-size bed with windows on each side, and on the back, you have tons of cabinet space up above the bed. And then to the bathroom, there is a step up, but you have a really large shower with a little added headroom with the skylight, a nice vanity, some cabinet space underneath, pretty good sized sink, some more cabinet space up above, and you have this sliding cabinet which opens up to reveal the washer and dryer. And also, the toilet is porcelain. It's pretty cool to see a motorhome like this that has 2 bathrooms, one in the middle and one in the back. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comments down below. And then across from the bed, there's a cabinet that has a door that slides open instead of like a traditional opening cabinet. You've got motion sensing light as well as a telescopic ladder for the bunk bed. You've got a large TV, another cabinet on the other side, and some pull-out drawers. What do you guys think about this motorhome? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you like the 2 bathrooms and the bunk beds? Comment down below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Until next time, I'll see you on the road.